I'm Naeemah Ford-Goldson. I'm a certified professional organizer and designer, and we are in Mableton, Georgia, just outside of Atlanta. I've been a professional organizer for over 6 years, but really I've been organized my entire life. I'm excited to show you how I keep my house organized. Right now we're standing in my office, and when we first moved in here, it was just a sitting room, so I thought this would be the perfect space to have our office set up. I really love it because it is a shared space for myself and my husband, and really the entire family spends time in here.
Clutter is when you have a lot of things laying around and it makes your room messy.
So I love this space, but what I'm really passionate about are my closets, and I can't wait to show you. So we are in the master closet. This is one of the spaces I'm most proud of because I designed it myself. We weren't blessed with a big closet, but I made it a little bit more functional. So we have hooks in here, valet rods, pull-out belt racks, pull-out tie racks. This really maximizes the space, and it just helps it function a little bit better because we have a dedicated space for everything. So yes, I'm organized, but my husband, of course, I have to still give him freedom. The wrinkle, that's on him. So now we're gonna go from pants to pantry, and I'll tell you how the kitchen inspired me to become a professional organizer. So I grew up in a household with 7 siblings, and our kitchen was always just a hot mess. And that's part of the reason why I became a professional organizer. I love having my spices on the door here just because you can see everything that you have. A lot of people will use a spice cabinet, and then what happens is you lose your spices. That might increase the likelihood of having spices that are expired. I use this to house my kids' snacks. They can just pull that out, grab whatever they want, and then just push it back in. So now we're gonna go upstairs to my kids' closet. I have 2 boys, Ethan and Gavin. And the reason I designed it the way that I did is I wanted each kid to have their own dedicated area to hang their things. I've separated the space with a hamper and then shelving here. The next space is a play/office area for my kids. So this is a former walk-in closet. I designed this, and the reason I did it was so they would have space to do their homework, color, play on the computer, but then also have access to their toys. Just like we all have homes, every item should have a place where it lives, whether it's in a bin, whether it's on a shelf. If you make sure everything has a place, they'll know where to put it away, and then they'll know where to find it when they need it. Those are my organizational techniques. Thank you for watching my episode of Extreme Organizers. Bye. Ben Franklin once said, "For every minute spent organizing, an hour is earned." Think about that.